Hello, my name is Brian Richards, and I will be giving you a brief tutorial on using our Gateway Search. Our Gateway Search is powered by EBSCO Discovery Service and provides you with access to a large portion of our library's collection through a single entry point. In this tutorial, we will look at performing a keyword search and review some of the features available in our online databases. Before running your search, you can target your results more precisely by pre-selecting search limiters that are located beneath the search box. Check the EGCC Library Catalog limiter to limit results to only those items that are available at our library. Check the full text limiter to limit results to those items which are available online in their entirety. Check the peer-reviewed limiter to limit the results to those that have been published in scholarly peer-reviewed publication. Additional limiters are available within the result list and through the advanced search. After selecting limiters, enter your search terms and click the search button. If you are accessing Gateway Search from off-campus, you will be prompted to log in using your library username and password. For more information on logging in, please see our library username and password FAQ. If a research starter is available for your search term, it will appear at the top of the search results list. Designed to enhance the research experience, research starters include links to relevant articles, images, videos, and audio clips. The content is curated from a variety of high-quality sources including Salem Press, Encyclopedia Britannica, and others. Simply click the More link for a topic overview. If you are looking to refine your search from the result list, you can apply limiters under the Limit To or use the available facets, such as source type, subject, and geography, all found in the left column. Click the Show More link when displayed to view all available options. When refining your search results using limiters, source types, and facets, each item is added to the current search box found at the top left column. Clicking on the hyperlinked subject term within the current search executes a search for that term only. Clicking on the X icon removes the term from the current search and refreshes your search results. On your results list, select an article to read by clicking on the full text link. You can view the detailed record by clicking the article title, or view a brief version of the record by holding your mouse over the preview icon. Results may also include real-time information on the location of an item from our library's catalog. The detailed record includes an article's citation information and links to full text. You can print, email, save, cite, or export a single result using the tools in the right-hand column of the detailed record. The detailed record includes an article's citation information and links to full text when available. You can print, email, save, cite, or export a single result using the tools in the right-hand column of the detailed record. You can also access the catalog record and view holdings information in the left column, such as availability when an item is listed in our library's catalog. Collect and temporarily store items by adding search results to the folder. These results will be stored for the duration of your database session. If you wish to save these items for a longer period, you will need to create a MyEBSCOhost account. Please see our How to Create a MyEBSCO account FAQ for those instructions. Thank you.